Managing high-volume service schedules requires precise coordination between appointments and inventory. Today, we are demonstrating the Spare Part Management Agent, a tool designed to help service advisors proactively verify part availability and eliminate maintenance delays before they happen. In this demonstration of the Spare Part Management Agent, we begin by retrieving a customer's registered vehicle details using their email address. From the resulting list, the user can select the specific vehicle required to check for an existing service order. The agent then fetches the future service appointment associated with that order. It automatically displays the exact items and quantities required for the upcoming maintenance. To verify inventory, the user simply specifies which future service appointment they wish to check for part availability. The agent provides a concise summary indicating which items are currently in stock at the user's assigned warehouse and which are currently unavailable. Finally, the agent identifies which alternative warehouses carry the missing parts and offers to create a transfer order immediately. This proactive approach ensures all components are ready for the scheduled appointment. By streamlining inventory checks and automating transfer orders, the Spare Part Management Agent minimizes vehicle downtime and protects service revenue. It transforms parts coordination from a reactive task into a seamless, automated workflow for every service center.